favorite design. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to do a short and quick unboxing of a ring light that I have. I purchased a ring light that is similar, so I wanted to unbox this one with you guys, kind of give you all a perspective on how the ring light actually works. I know a lot of YouTubers start with basic equipment. They start with their cell phones and natural lighting, and natural lighting does work well. There are a couple of things that are important when you're starting. Of course, your thumbnail, your editing, and your lighting. The ring light does actually make a difference. Ring lights can be used for people who are doing several different types of businesses. If you're doing bakery and you want to baking and you want to take pictures of your work, the ring light will actually give you better photography. If you have a new baby, for instance, and you want to get monthly photos, it can get expensive to do new shots every month. So this is something you can use at home and be creative. The hairstylists out there, guys, this is good for you guys. If you're doing videos of your units or your work, it's actually awesome. So I'm gonna get right into the video. If you're interested in seeing how it changed the lighting from natural setting to actually using a ring light, keep watching. Guys, I apologize. I'm congested, not feeling the best today, a little under the weather, so excuse my voice. But let's jump right into the video. So this is a Switti ring light. I ordered from Amazon. I did get an Amazon Prime, came relatively quickly. It's fairly priced, not too expensive, $89.99. And so we will see how easy it is to assemble and also see what type of light settings it gives us. And guys, I am not by any means mechanically inclined, but it should be relatively simple to put together. So I think that's the actual this is my stand. Thank goodness it's basically already pre-assembled stand. So the stand folds down for easy travel. Which one is gonna let it release here? That one was not. This one should let it release. There we go. It's a little stiff, which is making me a little nervous because the screws are not releasing. This is the top. Yeah, I'm just being too fragile with it. Oh goodness, how much do I have to? Okay, there we go. I just wanted to be careful, guys. So it flips down. And then you just tighten it back up. And so these top gadgets will actually adjust your height and the motion of your actual ring light. So I can pull this up and tighten it back out. And pull this one up. And it also gives the neck a little more height. So guys, I'm already liking the fact that it comes with a nice carrying case. So easy storage if you want to travel. You're doing a makeup photo shoot for the makeup artists out there. You have a nice travel case to pack and go. And it is symbol friendly. Okay, I didn't need to dump that out, but it works, guys. These are the accessories. This is the portion that's gonna hold your iPad. If you have an iPad, you can mount your cell phone. This is your plug-in and your built-in chargers. So you can use the ring light as long as you need to. And it also came with an accessory bag, so you can throw everything, all your accessories in the bag. So let's pop this on. So you have little adjustable bolts there that allows you to adjust the neck. And it should just pop down on here. So you let these out and it gives that release and tension to allow that to there we go. And I got this up extremely high, guys, but it's just because I'm working with it. So I'm going to tighten those back up. And then it does come with an adjustable piece that you can put on here for your camera. You can use it for your iPad or, of course, your cell phone. So I'm going to bring that back down. And then let's get some power here. Cords are pretty simple. Two snap into each other and you just plug it in. So guys, as you can see now, although I'm not feeling good, I did go ahead and do some makeup, light makeup today, so you all can see. Hopefully this will help you be able to see when the light changes, the difference and how things look. Because right now I'm filming with just natural lighting from my lights in my room and two side windows open. I didn't want to open the third window because I didn't want a reflection. Okay guys, so I got it plugged up and you're seeing my face here without the ring light on, natural lighting. Okay. The extension cord is not on. Did it pop on?
Mm-mm. Boom.
Alright, so guys, you probably can see immediately there's a major difference in lighting. I will also try to take two different pics. One with me without the ring light on, one with the ring light, and post it in for comparison. So this is the light reflecting me, guys. And I'm going to go ahead, give me just a minute. And what I'm going to do is actually connect it to the actual ring light, give you guys a shot of that. Okay guys, so the focus may be a little bad, but you can see this piece came with the ring light set. You twist it and slide it up in this. You twist it and slide it up in this area, and then this piece screws on top to hold your camera, and if you turn this, it just allows you to have some wiggle room there. So we're going to put the camera on, and then you guys will be able to see the different light settings. Okay guys, so you can see this is the brightest setting that it has, and I'm just going to slowly switch the settings so you can see the difference in the lighting. So that actually dimmed down a little bit for you guys, if you can tell the difference. Okay, and now we're moving into a little bit of a cooler setting. It's still on the white. Now you're going into a warm setting. So you can see, depending on if you're doing makeup, this setting will probably be good for makeup. So it does actually give you some variety and allow you to kind of change your light setting, and it actually makes your filming, your brightness, your pictures much better. So guys, overall, I'm liking the product. I do recommend, if you can afford getting a ring light, they do have some that are countertop if you're doing makeup and you don't want a big ring light standing in your bathroom if you have a smaller area. So guys, please remember to like and subscribe, comment below. Drop your comments if you found a product that works better. I would love to know. And until next time, guys, stay blessed.